यहाँ पे
क्या कर रहे हो?
Hello.
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 Hi,
Hello,
Neelam.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now we'll begin.
Oh, how are you, Shubha ma'am?
Good evening, eminent educator, parents, teachers, and all those who have given their precious time to us. This is Neelam Chaudhary, Headmistress, Sage International School, Ayodhya Nagar branch. I heartily welcome you all to this session. It's time to introduce you all to the SAGE group. Here is an AV. Audio is not there. Raise the
Nilima, you unmute yourself. You have muted again
Oh,
yourself.
thank you, ma'am.
You,
I cordially welcome speaker of the session, Mrs. Kala Mohan ma'am, who is an educationist, counseling psychologist, and special educator, NIRT, and Nidan Inclusive School, Bhopal. Over to ma'am.
Namaste all. Welcome to the Sage Talks. Thank you very much to the organizers for giving me this lovely opportunity to interact with you all. We have started it on time. I'm happy that on time, I love it. And people are still pouring in. When this invitation came to me, I had a talk with Neelam, and she said that, ma'am, we are organizing these, the series of talks with the educationists. So we were just discussing, because I just want you all to understand how come these three words popped up. So we were discussing this, the entire world is sailing through a lot of webinars and talks. It was a flood. आंधी तूफान और बाढ़ की तरह webinars और talks चल रहे हैं. So every organization is having some principle, some objective behind it. So we were just discussing. And when you're not discussing orally and you're writing on text messages, so we have finalized few known speakers, common acquaintance to both of us. And then I have written just, what all things will be covered in these talks. And these three words were also there: reassurance, healing, and sensitivity. And you know what happened? When the creative design made, fortunately, I got this three words back to me. And when I got it, I said, wow, so I'll have to speak on this. And I said, lovely, it's very close to my heart. And nothing to prepare much, because everybody knows these three words. It is very close to everyone's heart, those who feel themselves to be the part of the human race. So before formally I start my interaction or conversation or monologue, and I feel we'll have 10 minutes for certain questions, if I could take it out of my own experiences. And dear audience, dear participants, first of all, most of you are, I think, parents, teachers. It's a very heterogeneous group because of Sage family and the invitees here present. So I'm not going to address only teachers, only parents. I'm just going to address the fellow beings of mine. हम सब एक रेस को belong करते हैं, हम सब human race के हैं, हम सब human beings हैं. And I'll use both the languages because when you used to convey anything from your heart, automatically this particular language, that is Hindi, is very close to us. कुछ बातें हिंदी में करेंगे, कुछ बातें अंग्रेजी में करेंगे और धीरे धीरे बातें ही करेंगे क्योंकि बातों के लिए ही बुलाया है. Sage talks. So I'm here to talk to you, not going to stuff you with technical jargons or very difficult words. It's all experiences of my own journey of life, which is very, very transparent, known to everyone. What I live, what I do, what my philosophy, what is my, you can, excuse. So what is, my ikigai, or what is my purpose of existence? Few things are quite clear to me. And I got it on time, very fortunate. So the journey will be like this only. जिंदा रहे तो फिर से आएंगे, जिंदा रहे तो फिर से आएंगे तुम्हारे शहरों को आबाद करने. वहीं मिलेंगे गगनचुंबी इमारतों के नीचे, प्लास्टिक की तिरपाल से ढकी अपनी झुग्गियों में. जिंदा रहे तो फिर से आएंगे. चौराहों पर अपने औजारों के साथ, फैक्ट्रियों से निकलते काले धुएं के बीच, होटलों और ढाबों पर खाना बनाते, बर्तनों को धोते, हर गली हर नुक्कड़ पर, फेरियों में रिक्शा खींचते, ऑटो चलाते, मंजिलों तक पहुंचाते. जिंदा रहे तो फिर से आएंगे. हर कहीं हम मिल जाएंगे, पानी पिलाते, गन्ना पेरते, कपड़े धोते, प्रेस करते, समोसा तलते, खुशियां बेचते. ईंट भट्टों पर तेजाब से धोते जेवरात, ईंट भट्टों पर तेजाब से धोते जेवरात, पॉलिश करते स्टील के बर्तनों को. मुरादाबाद ब्रास के कारखानों से लेकर फिरोजाबाद की चूड़ियों, पंजाब के खेतों से लेकर लोहा मंडी गोविंदगढ़ तक, चाय बागानों से लेकर जहाज रानी तक, मंडियों में माल ढोते, हर जगह होंगे हम. जिंदा रहेंगे तो फिर से तुम्हारे शहरों को आबाद करने हम जरूर आएंगे. बस इस बार एक बार घर पहुंचा दो, बस एक बार, इस बार एक बार घर पहुंचा दो. घर पर बूढ़ी माँ है, बाप है, सुनकर खबर वो परेशान है. बाट जो रहे काका काकी, मत रोको हमें, जाने दो. आएंगे फिर जिंदा रहे तो, नहीं तो अपनी मिट्टी में समा जाने दो. जिंदा रहे तो फिर से आएंगे तुम्हारे शहरों को आबाद करने. वहीं मिलेंगे गगनचुंबी इमारतों के नीचे, प्लास्टिक की तिरपाल से ढकी अपनी झुग्गियों. कुछ लाइनें हैं, किसी बहुत खूबसूरत लेखक ने लिखी है, उत्तर प्रदेश से हैं. सलाम है उनको, उनकी लेखनी को, उनकी कलम को. हमारे विचार होते हैं, शब्द किसी और के होते हैं, हम यहाँ आकर आपके सामने रख देते हैं. लेकिन जज्बे, जज्बात, सोच हम सब की एक जैसी है. कहाँ आकर खड़ा कर दिया, क्या मंजर है, कहाँ जा रहे हैं, कहाँ भाग रहे थे, कहाँ दौड़ रहे थे. Where were we running? We have completely forgotten. We all had, this particular century has seen the last 2 decades. Really, people have completely forgotten the inner peace of their own, the inner silence, the inner journey. And they were after one another and rushing towards something which is even not known to them. The surprising factor is, कहाँ भाग रहे हैं उनको खुद नहीं मालूम. न मंजिल है, न ठिकाना है, न रास्ते का कोई पता भी नहीं है. They don't know the direction, they don't know the destination. And then the supreme call, the God Almighty to whom we all believe, उन्होंने आकर कहा ठहर जाओ. किसी मकसद से भेजा था. We have sent, I have sent you all human beings for certain purpose and given you life with knowledge, wisdom, cognition, and what not. Human beings are second to God. God has created them for something. But we have started spoiling, distracting, disturbing, what not. And then today, if anything is common in this world, is that all are confined to the four walls of their own home. This is what is common. And one microorganism, one virus has disrupted the entire kainat, the entire prakriti, the entire nature. But in this nature, the most affected person is the same God's creation who has forgotten the purpose. And then God said, hold on. So we are all on hold. It's a refresh button. People gave it a lot of names and a lot of vocabulary has popped up during these days. Even I have increased the number of words in my own dictionary. Few words I have never heard, but those words are coming back. People have started talking about new norms. I was so surprised. Normal is normal. What is there in old and new? If it is normal, then it will remain normal. When they say no, it's a new normal. Okay, so are we going to disrupting the old normal completely? What are we going to do it? And who are we to do it? Again, a question is there. Who are we to do it? We'll all have to wait and watch. So the entire 30 to 20 to 30 minutes of my talk will revolve around this human being and the nature of human being and everybody knows it. मैं यहाँ कोई बहुत ऐसे सिखाने नहीं आई हूँ, अपना सफर अपनी बातें करने आई हूँ. और एक कहते हैं ना, everybody requires someone to knock at their door to tell you, are you alive? I'm here. Are we thinking the same thing? क्या जो मैं सोच रही हूँ वही आप सोच रहे? तो मैं भी कुछ ऐसा ही करने आ रही. जैसा मैं सोच रही हूँ, क्या आप भी वैसे ही सोच रहे हैं? क्या आप कुछ नया सोच रहे हैं? तो मैं जानना भी चाहूंगी. तो हम क्या सोच रहे हैं, क्या नहीं सोच रहे हैं, इन सब को सोचने से पहले एक बड़ा खूबसूरत सा गीत जो मैंने नीलम को दिया है, एक वीडियो फॉर्म में है और उसकी भी लिरिक्स मुझे बहुत पसंद आई और वो लिरिक्स हमारे देश के लिए समर्पित है और इसको बहुत सारे गायकों ने अपने अपने घरों से मिलकर उसको गाया है. उसमें एक रसता है, समभाव है, समरसता है, इंटीग्रिटी है और म्यूजिकल सिम्फनी है. So let's go for this musical symphony. Over to Neelam. Please, can we play that video?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Just
thank you. Thank you. I think there is some problem in the audio.
Yeah, ma'am. We are trying.
Okay.
Trying to.
If it is possible, or
Yeah,
else I
yeah.
think
There is some
we can-
problem in audio. Yes, ma'am. Just.
okay. Now we can stop it also. It is, I think, the people can watch it later on, because instead of going, because there's always technical glitches.
Yeah, ma'am. It's okay. We'll just stop it, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Over to ma'am. Yeah.
Yes. So we were talking about the human race, human beings, and this song is actually talking to everyone. Us, the lyrics basically is Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam. And today we all are one. We have, this is what Indian philosophy, Indian ethos, Indian culture, कि हम सब इस वसुंधरा के, इस धरती की संतान हैं और किसी न किसी रिश्ते में बंधे हुए हैं. और जब इन रिश्तों की बात हो रही है, तो मेरे सभी मुस्लिम भाइयों बहनों को ईद की मुबारकबाद. आज ईद का पर्व है. मीठी सिवैयों से हम सब लोग बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं. अपने दोस्तों के यहाँ जाते थे, ईद की मीठी सिवैयों का आनंद लेते थे. आज एक दूसरे को सिर्फ बधाइयां दे रहे हैं, महसूस कर रहे हैं, और सबने अपने अपने घरों में मीठी सिवैयां बनाई भी हैं. इस तरह से हम याद करते हैं. This is what is the humanity is all about. And this is where these three letters, three words which we have today taken as a subject of talk is reassurance. Beautiful word. Now, reassurance, healing, and sensitivity. These are nothing but interwoven to each other. When I am sensitive enough, I can heal you. And when I heal you, the reassurance is inbuilt in it. So the basic, or you can say the root word is actually sensitivity. हम कितने संवेदनशील हैं. कहाँ से सीखेंगे? देख कर सीखते हैं. और एक देख के मैं क्यों बोल रही हूँ? Because here we have some parents also. Teachers are also parents. I'm also a parent, and we have some parents in the this group also, where the child will learn this sensitivity. संवेदनशीलता कहाँ से सीखेगा? If a father is beating the stray dog, बहुत जोर जोर से पत्थर फेंक के अगर पापा मारेंगे और जोर जोर से मारेंगे, हटाएंगे, या किसी भी तरह का हम कुछ इनह्यूमन एक्ट करेंगे, और अगर छोटा बच्चा बगल में होगा तो वो उसको सीखेगा. चिल्ड्रन सी, चिल्ड्रन डू. वहीं पे आप स्ट्रीट डॉग परेशान कर रहे हैं, वी हैव एजेंसीज, गिव अ कॉल टू देम, they'll come, they'll take them away. That's the right way of doing it. Saving the dog, leaving them where they are going, but instead of. So what kind of deed the child has seen? And same allows inside the home also. Everything begins from home. Home is, I always feel home is entire a school only, a place where the children receive the text messages, the vibrations, and the attitude, behavior, everything is visible, observable. The child right from the womb start learning. This is all old theory, but yes, this topic is also related to that only, that the children who are living in and around us, they watch us, they see us, they understand, and they receive us. And sensitivity is something which is actually supposed to be inbuilt in all the human beings. हम सबको होना ही है संवेदनशील. हम नहीं अगर किसी की संवेदनाओं को समझेंगे तो और कौन समझने वाला है? कई बार आजकल वीडियो, आजकल WhatsApp University is so popular than any other university for that matter, because there are some forwards, some are good, some are not at all relevant. But then you will find that a lot of stories are on roll where the animal kingdom is taking care of each other better than human beings. Don't you think that it's a shameful for us also to realize? Yes, it's a shameful event. Now, what is to be taken care of? How can we further proceed with this sensitivity? दर्द होना चाहिए, एहसास होना चाहिए. मैंने जिस कविता को पढ़ा, अगर उसको हम थोड़ा सा भी और ध्यान से देखें, हमें तकलीफ होनी चाहिए, हमारे आंखों में भी आंसू आने चाहिए. आप कहेंगे मैम इससे क्या होगा? नहीं, इससे कुछ नहीं होगा. फिर आप क्या करेंगे? Charity begins at home. Everything begins at home. Post-COVID or after this lockdown, you can give any name to you. The moment you come to know, have you ever inquired about the people who were working with you? All the supporting staff, drivers, conductors, masons, carpenters, and the didis and the bhais and the ayas who used to come to your home to take care of everything. Where are they? What are they doing? Many are there because I am associated with NGO, so we are in the field itself. We are with the community itself. So I don't want to, tell what I am doing it, but I'm sure what I am doing it. And I just want you to understand, where is your drop in ocean? Where is your drop in ocean? हम क्या कर रहे हैं? और जानिए, मानिए, महसूस करिए, हर व्यक्ति अलग जगा सकता है. बहुत हम शिकायत करते हैं, अंधेरा बहुत घना है. अपने हिस्से का दिया जलाना बिल्कुल मना नहीं है. उसके लिए बहुत लाखों करोड़ों रुपए की जरूरत नहीं है. एक छोटी सी सोच, वो संवेदना आपके पड़ोसियों के प्रति, आपके मोहल्ले वालों के प्रति, उन दुकानदारों के प्रति, सब्जी वालों के प्रति, विक्रेताओं के प्रति, क्या संवेदनाएं हमारे पास है. और ये हमारे बच्चे हमको देख के सीख रहे हैं. मम्मा कैसे अपनी दीदी से बात करती है जो घर में आती है, मेरे घर के भाई बहन उनसे कैसे बात करते हैं, क्या लहजा होता है हमारा. ये सेंसिटिविटी है, ये वो एहसास है, वो जज्बा है जो बच्चे को भी सिखा रहा है. और हम वही करेंगे जो हमने सीखा है. ये मत भूलिए, आप वही कर रहे हैं जो आप सीख कर आए हैं. लेकिन ये चीजें सीखी जा सकती हैं. एनी डे, एनी टाइम, एनी मोमेंट कैन बी अ राइट टाइम टू लर्न सर्टेन थिंग्स गुड. सो wherever we are, how can we create this kind of sensitivity within us? The other day before yesterday, I just told my husband, लकी को फोन लगाओ. तो इन्होंने पूछा लकी को क्यों फोन लगाना है? लकी वो ड्राइवर है, वो कैब ड्राइवर है जो मुझे अप कंट्रीज में ले जाता है. अचानक उसकी याद आ गई, अचानक ही याद आई, सच में याद अचानक ही आई. पर जानते हो वो कितना खुश हुआ, वो मैं शब्दों में आपको नहीं बयां कर सकती. मेरा एहसास है वो, दैट्स अ एहसास. कुछ एहसास के शब्द नहीं होते. और वो कहने लगे मैं तो आश्चर्यचकित हो गया मैम, आपका कॉल आया. मैं तो एक बार खुश भी हो गया कि आप इस लॉकडाउन में भी ई पास बनवा के कहीं क्लास लेने जा रही हैं. मैंने कहा नहीं बेटा, कहीं क्लास लेने नहीं जाना, बस ये जानना चाहते थे आप कैसे हैं, आपका बेटा कैसा है, आप अपने परिवार के साथ हैं, हम कुछ मदद कर सकते हैं. देखिए, शब्द भी बहुत ताकत रखते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा ताकत रखते हैं. अपने अनुभवों से बताना चाहूंगी. When I was very young, very young, I used to go to right from my 10 years of age, I'm associated with the services with the community. It's not something new started it. I have seen my father doing it. Again, as I said, you see, when you see, you start learning it and you start feeling it. Here from this forum also, I just want you all are doing it, I know it. But you make others also, you become a resource, tell them also, ask them. सबको पूछो किसने क्या क्या किया, किसका क्या contribution है, किसने किसको क्या किया. See, I am also associated along with my 30 to 35 mental health professionals. The task force is being formed here in Bhopal by Bhopal Municipal Corporation. We are getting the list of the people who are being affected and who are being quarantined and kept in the isolation also. So we have 3 kinds of list. One is the positive patients, then their family members, then their neighbors, and then the people who are, they came from the outside and being kept aside. So this started for the last almost March se ye cheez shuru ho gayi thi. To my surprise, why I said these 3 words to Neelam, when we were making calls, do you know, in one of the very posh colony of this Bhopal city, I don't want to name them, I'm not here to blame anyone, but I'm really very much, like तकलीफ होती है, इतनी तकलीफ होती है कि रोना भी आ जाता है. एक शख्स हमसे कह रहे हैं कि मैम, हमको हमारी कॉलोनी वालों ने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप से निकाल दिया. Is it the sensitivity we human beings are having? क्या व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप से वायरस ट्रेवल कर रहे हैं? क्या ऐसे हो गए हम लोग? कैसे हो गए? हम ऐसे कैसे हो सकते हैं? अभी मेरे पूरे गूज बम्स खड़े हैं. हम ऐसे नहीं हो सकते. We cannot. It is not expected out of us. And this is my prayer to everyone. Please take care of your family members and immediately take care of your neighbors. The first case of Kolar region, you know, that time this lockdown is not this lockdown not started, and this task force also not started. I got a call from one of the acquaintances of mine, and she said that, ma'am, there is a neighbor, there is a person in our colony. मैम उनको तो यहाँ से ये कर देना चाहिए, हमारी कॉलोनी सैनिटाइज कर देनी चाहिए. आप तो एनजीओ चलाते हैं, आप क्या करेंगी? मैंने कहा मैम मैं सबसे पहले आपसे बात करूंगी. सैनिटाइज तो सरकार करेगी, पर मैं आपसे आपका आवाज देखिए, आपके आवाज का टोन देखिए, आपका वॉल्यूम देखिए. आप बिल्कुल भी एक संवेदनशील इंसान की तरह बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप आक्रोश में बात कर रहे हैं. ये कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है. जो कुछ लोग गलतियां कर रहे हैं, सभी गलती नहीं कर रहे हैं, और जो गलती कर भी रहे हैं वो जाने अनजाने एक ब्लाइंड बिलीफ और उसके कारण कर रहे हैं. लेकिन हम लोग ऐसे नहीं हो सकते. So this sensitivity is something which I feel everybody has to own it, and to make our children also understand that बेटा हमको ये संवेदनशीलता ईश्वर ने दी है, हम इसे महसूस करें. And you know, then automatically you will have community kitchens are working, dry rations are going, people all are doing. I know even Sage University has also done wonderful job. I go through the media and medium I'm aware of. I'm not here to preach anyone, but I am just here to tell you, don't require money to serve others. ये मैं बताना चाहती हूँ. निदान एक ऐसी संस्था है जिसको मैं यहाँ फिर नहीं प्रमोट कर रही, लेकिन मुझसे कोई पूछता है कि मैम हम आपकी संस्था के लिए कुछ करना चाहते हैं, आप क्या लेना पसंद करेंगे? मैंने कहा मैं कुछ भी नहीं लेना पसंद करूंगी. आप समय देना पसंद करेंगे? आप मेरे बच्चों के साथ समय बिताएंगे? उनके साथ आकर खेलेंगे, कूदेंगे? ड्राइंग, क्राफ्ट, म्यूजिक, डांस, जो आपको आता है आप उनको आकर सिखाएंगे? समय दान करेंगे? आज हम में से सब लोग के पास समय है, हम दान करेंगे ना? करना चाहिए. कैसे करेंगे? You all can become healers. If you are sensitive, you can become healer. What do we require to become a healer? A soft, a sophisticated mindset, a calm, composed state of mind, accessibility, visibility in words and spirit. यही चाहिए, इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं चाहिए. और यही reassurance में भी चाहिए. Reassurance में क्या चाहिए? Reassurance भी यही कहता है, don't worry, I'm here. घबराओ मत. में ये क्या सेंटेंस हम एक दूसरे को नहीं बोल सकते? All the children inside their homes, all of a sudden, one fine night, something is being announced. And the next day morning, when they woke up, the mama is telling them, you're not supposed to go to home. You're not supposed to go out of the home. Now the child is looking at mama, mama, then where will I go? आप मुझे घर से बाहर भी नहीं जाने दे रहे हो. ऐसा क्या हो गया? So there are two kinds of mothers. There are two kinds of parenting. There can be multiple kinds of parenting. I think in other in webinars also I reiterated it, and once again I want to reiterate what is being said by them. क्या बोला गया होगा? बाहर भूत है, पुलिस है, डंडा मारेगी, काला जादू है. क्या कहा गया होगा? किसने क्या कहा होगा? और आपको पता है मम्मी पापा लोग क्या कहते हैं? दूध नहीं पीता है तो पुलिस बुला लेती है माँ, खाना नहीं खाते हैं तो पुलिस बुला लेती है, डाकू तो बाहर ही बैठे होते हैं. आते जाते डाकू पुलिस तो हमारे घर के आसपास ही होते हैं. तो अभी वायरस के लिए पता नहीं क्या बोला होगा उस मासूम से बच्चे को. कहाँ गई सेंसिटिविटी, कहाँ गई रिसेप्टिविटी, कहाँ गया पेरेंटिंग? I don't know where it all has gone. But then it matters. It matters. Because this time the mother has to reassure the child. मैं हूं ना, मम्मा की गोद है, मम्मा का टाइम है, मम्मा को भी नहीं जाना है, पापा भी कहीं नहीं जाएंगे, दादा दादी भी कहीं नहीं जाएंगे, हम सब घर में रहेंगे. We all have fun together, we all will play together, we all will dine together, we all pray together. Wow. If these are the statements, if it is being said to them, these statements are nothing but the power of reassurance. That we are reassuring the child that don't worry, मैं हूं ना. You know, this मैं हूं ना, this word, the sentence, 3 words are very, very powerful. yesterday night I got a girl. I still have the complete audio messages and the chat in my box. Second year child of one of the colleges here in Bhopal. She is in second year only. Believe me, who is not in a disturbed state of mind? She is keep on telling me, I feel myself as waste. I feel, ma'am, मेरी कोई career नहीं है. And then she has talked about, my father has asked me to take mathematics. I was interested in humanities. Then also my father compelled me to take maths along with the humanities because he was thinking, so these are the career oriented issues. Now what, as a teacher, as a counselor, I have to do it? I have to again reassure the child. I have again to tell her, मैं हूं ना. Now you hold my hand. You hold my hand. So stretch, आप अपने arms आगे बढ़ाओ. आप emotional hug दे सकते हो. I'm not asking you to go and hug them physically. That is not possible because we have to keep the norms of physical distancing. I don't even like this word social distancing. I don't like it. Or if anybody anywhere is somebody saying social distancing, they have to say it in the within bracket. Here, I mean to say physical distancing, social bonding. Because this word also created a lot of chaos in the minds of the people. Have related it with, because I work with the community, people have related this as untouchability. आपको पता ही नहीं है. Many of you are not aware of what is going on in the streets and the community where the people are completely taken it differently. Social distancing word. सामाजिक रूप से हमें एक दूसरे से बहुत दूर चले जाना है. शारीरिक रूप से जाना है, सामाजिक रूप से एक दूसरे के बहुत करीब आना है, एक सोशल फैब्रिक में झुकना है. So the girl, when she was telling me all this thing, I was telling her, lot of new options are coming up. You are only in second year. What I did to her, I have just reassured her, I'm with you. Anyways, we don't know each other. Somebody has referred my name to her. I don't know the girl also, but I know one thing, that is this moment of time, the girl required someone to hold her, to give the emotional hug to her, to increase the mental immunity of her. Everyone here, almost 156, 160 people are looking at me and listening to me. It's my plea, मेरी प्रेयर है आपसे, प्रार्थना है, आप सब लोग अपने अपने हिस्से का करें. You keep reassuring each other. बच्चों को भी reassure करो. Adolescent children have their own issues. Their parents, I'm getting complaints. Their parents are spying. They are not allowing them. Their biologic clock is already disturbed. Their hormonal states are disturbed. They used to meet their friends. They used to went out outside, but now they are not able to do anything. I understand schools are doing, counselors are meeting, but how much time? Parents take the command in their hand. They cannot do all this. This is also a kind of abuse to the child if it is being reported. Because if the child is feeling, I'm good for nothing, and my family members are, one child the other day was telling me, मैं police station चला ही जाऊंगा. Sibling rivalry, चला ही जाऊंगा. Can you imagine this? हम कैसे होल्ड करके रखते हैं? सिर्फ reassurance के साथ, सिर्फ उसको ये कहते रहते हैं, wait, wait. And we always tell them to work on yourself. You have no control on the external factors, but you have all control on your own awareness, your own immunity, your own emotions, your own. So the self-awareness is also very important, which is again assurance to self. When you assure to yourself, you'll be in a position to assure others. So this assurance, this reassurance is nothing but hope to provide caring presence of yours. Detailed explanation is required. Yes, you need to explain it. No pari ki kathaएं with the children. Make them understand. बहुत छोटे-छोटे, what to say, the cartoon characters and the animation films of Corona is being out. The COVID-19 pictures, the animation. Let us teach our children what is it all about. छोटे-छोटे अक्षर में, छोटे-छोटे शब्दों में बच्चों को reassure करके इसके बारे में explain कर दो. What is it all about and how long he has to stay inside the four walls? When will he get time? And what all things he was doing outside? Can I simulate it inside my home? Can I create the same thing inside my home? You can do it. If you have it, where there is a will, there is a way. Where there is a will, there is a way. You can create that environment inside the home itself. राजा मंत्री चोर सिपाही हमारे बच्चों ने नहीं खेला है, उनको सिखाओ. इमली के बीजों से चंगे अष्टे पे उन्होंने नहीं खेला है, उनको सिखाओ. वो पूरे बना के उनको सिखाओ. हम खेलते थे. This is the time when you all can enter into their life as a friend to them. उनके साथ आप ये इस तरह से you can reassure them that I am with you. मैं हूं ना, and together we can. This global immunity is what is looking for this. And global unity can create the global unity. Global immunity will come when we come together. So the reassurance, reduce fear, anxiety, diffuse anger completely. Puri tarah se, because all these emotions are momentary. Only thing is, are we all able to understand the emotion, and the time of emotions are very less. And in between, if you can hold it and can reassure the child that don't worry, I'm there. Together we can, we'll do it. And these are the healing words to the child. And when the child is venting out for something, please उसे vent out करने दीजिए. आप उसके लिए जगह दे सकते हैं, उसके लिए तकिया दे दो, उसको कहना. One way of doing vent out होने का बहुत अच्छा है. बच्चे स्कूल में जाके एक दूसरे को डिशुम करते थे, या उनका अपना एक तरीका vent out का अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ रहता था. They are missing all those things. Now what is the substitute of it? The best substitute of it is spoil 2-3 takiyas. उसको टांग दो. वो बच्चे पंचिंग बैग की तरह ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं. Ask them to write it. They can write it on a piece of paper to vent it out. Tell किसको बोलना है, किसको. मम्मा से गुस्सा है, लिख. क्या क्या लिख. बोलने, क्योंकि अब क्या है, the issue is I want to say many things to my mom, but what happened, I cannot say it, I can't hurt her, but I can write it on a piece of paper and to relax myself, pat my back. ठीक है, हो गया, मैंने कह दिया. And this is where is actually the vent out is essential. All these emotions are to be expressed. Please don't teach the children to suppress the emotions. It's very dangerous. एक्सप्रेशन का टाइम आप दो, उनको एक्सप्रेशन करने के बाद आप उनको बताओ. दैट इज वेयर द रोल ऑफ अ टीचर एंड अ पेरेंट कम्स. अगर आप सप्रेस करोगे, लड़के रोते नहीं हैं. वी हैव लॉट ऑफ मिथ्स, लॉट ऑफ टैबूज, वी हैव टू मेनी थिंग्स इन आवर माइंड. सो प्लीज अलाउ द चिल्ड्रन टू वेंट आउट, and you be present there, be visible to them, be visible. See how young visibility, see I'm visible to you all. This is a kind of virtual visibility. You can see my facial expressions, you can see when I'm so close to you, you can see everything, you can see my eyeball movements, you can understand what I'm saying it. So you can also understand when you take your online classes and when you know that there are some children who are vulnerable. You know, all teachers are knowing very well who are vulnerable, whose emotional stability is at stake. Aapko malum hai. You please give them extra care. Your care, your concern, your love, your warmth, your affection, my dear children, they are in need of it. And I am the advocate of children. The purpose and existence of life is to create a world of happy children and world for happy children. And it cannot be possible without the support of you all who are here. So all these children who are, and don't become judgmental, don't label them, don't address them. मुझे तो पता है राहुल, तेरा तो सब गड़बड़ होगा. Please, ऐसे से मत बोलो. ऐसे मत बोलो. और हम बोल देते हैं, हम पता है, हम अपना इतना उनको समझते हैं कि हम कुछ भी बोल देते हैं. And हम तो बोल के चले जाते हैं. But the words and these, it rebounds, ऐसे आते जाते रहते हैं. So when you heal them, when you use the words, it should be like, you know, prayer. एक अच्छे prayer की तरह उस तक आपको पहुंचना पड़ेगा. और जब आप करने भी बैठो उससे बात, आप जिस किसी सुप्रीम पावर को मानते हो, मैं साईं डिवोटी हूँ, ओम साई राम, ओम साई राम मैं पूरे टाइम जपती रहती हूँ. आप लोग भी कर सकते हैं. जो जिस ईश्वर को मानते हैं, it gives you lot of guts, courage, strength, willpower, and you don't feel you're alone. You always feel there is some power behind you, there is some power within you, and this is what is children required. So spiritually you can heal them. You can talk to them. बहुत calm, composed और poised. आवाज में भी आप modulation लाएं. आप उनसे जब बात करें, आप बिल्कुल आपके अगर पीछे का कोई emotional है, you hold on. You don't talk now. You talk after 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Take a long breath and then talk to those children. And how much time I'm left with?
Ma'am, you have 23 minutes.
Okay, thank you. Because once I start, it is very difficult to stop me.
Yes, ma'am. You can carry
Okay.
on, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. So I was talking about, there's one beautiful quote I just want to quote here. God didn't promise days without pain. God didn't promise days without pain, laughter without sorrow, sun without rain. But he did one promise to all of us: the strength for the day, comfort for the tears, and light for the way. ये ईश्वर ने हमसे कहा है. इतनी अच्छी बात कह के गए हैं. Our total submission to the lotus feet of the supreme power. Please make this understand to our children also. First, you understand to yourself. I always tell people, what you have, you can give it to the world. If you don't have that trust, you don't have that belief system, strong belief system, how can you give it to the world? So this all healing and reassurance can come only when you also believe in all these things, and then you ask the child to submit yourself to and keep asking. There's no harm in asking. There's no harm in asking. किससे पूछेंगे? ईश्वर से ही मांगेंगे, अधिकार के साथ मांगेंगे, बिल्कुल मिलेगा. अच्छे काम करने का हमेशा फल मिलता है, और कब मिलता है वो दिखाई भी नहीं देता. God's creation can never be waste. All the creations of the God, you love them, you respect them. All the creations of God, be it a plant, this is the right time. प्लांट भी छोटे छोटे कहीं भी हम लोग रह रहे हैं, हमारे घर में 4-5 प्लांट होने चाहिए. पॉटेड प्लांट हम रख सकते हैं. एंड आस्क दीज चिल्ड्रन to look into the plant. This starts, communicating. And the beautiful existence of the plant, you make children understand. We exchange oxygen. Their existence is required for us. They become nature lovers. They become closer to the now see, sensitivity starts here. And they'll not harm. फिर वो पेड़ों के साथ कभी कोई नुकसान नहीं करेंगे. और वो they will become, the warriors. एक फाइटर की तरह पेड़ मत उखाड़ो, पेड़ लगाओ. हम ये बातें बहुत करते हैं, हमारे असेंबलीज होती है, हमारे यहाँ टॉक शोज होते हैं, लेकिन बच्चे को समझ में तब आएगा when he will see it from his own eyes and when he will do it on his own. So all these plants, ask this child to nurture those plants, handle those plants, watch them. Early morning, ask them to sit outside the courtyard. सुबह सुबह की इतनी खूबसूरत हवा के साथ जो चिर्पिंग ऑफ बर्ड्स की आवाज, इट्स म्यूजिकल. Ask the child to sit. उसको बोलो, चलो मैं भी बैठती हूँ. I'll also sit with you. Listen to the music of the nature. Let's go quite near to the nature. And these are nothing. These are all part of what I said. The child will understand the existence of him or his own is nothing. वो अकेला कुछ भी नहीं है. अगर ये पेड़ सांस नहीं लेंगे तो सुबह वो सांस नहीं ले पाएगा. इसको समझ में कैसे आएगा? ऐसे समझा सकते हैं. आप उसको खूब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, मोनोऑक्साइड, ऑक्सीजन खूब साइंस में सिखा रहे हैं. वी आर टीचिंग देम व्हाट नॉट. Simple thing to be taught to them. And then you start sharing the stories with them. Now, how can you share the stories of the sensitivity? I can share a small story with you. है ना? एक माँ रहती है, उसके पास बहुत सारे पेड़ होते हैं. She was having lot of potted plants. She used to keep it on the terrace. And one plant is kept in isolation. And other plants were kept one after another, close to each other. And she used to water them. She used to take care of every plant very nicely, very, 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 delicatedly, very sensitively. कि ये मेरे अपने पौधे हैं, इनका मैं अपना खुद ध्यान रखती हूँ. But what happened? Other plants were together, were blooming nicely. But one potted plant, which is kept in isolation, she was taking care of that plant also. But that plant was not blooming the way the other plants were blooming. Then one day, her husband came up to the terrace and then he said to her, you know why this plant is not, you do one thing. I have a suggestion for you. I have a submission for you. You bring this isolated plant also near to these potted plants which are blooming and start watering them. And believe me, this is not a story. You can see it. And she has also seen it, that the other plant which was actually kept in isolation, when came in contact with fellow plants, because plants also communicate with each other. कैसे हो? पानी मिल रहा है, सूरज मिलते हैं, रोशनी मिलती है, प्लांट्स आपस में बात करते हैं, चहकते हैं, महकते हैं, खुश रहते हैं, तो वो प्लांट भी धीरे धीरे ब्लूम करने लगा. The other plant who was kept in isolation when came in contact with fellow. Same applies to us. That is what I started with. It applies to us too, that we need to come in close contact with each other to find out that where is the, the heal, where is the problem, where is the issue, where I can pitch in, I can come in. मैं कैसे आपके लिए कुछ कर सकती हूँ, कैसे मैं आपके दर्द बांट सकती हूँ. Pain can easily be shared. When we feel that some other people are also there with us to help us to find out, वो भी हमारे साथ है. जैसे मैंने ये प्लांट के लिए आपसे कहा, तो वो हमारी जो तकलीफ होती है जब वो बढ़ जाती है तो वो कम हो जाती है. This we need to understand. Okay? And power of positivity. There's a beautiful prayer. God, grant me the serenity. Serenity, the state of calm, composed and peaceful state. जिस किसी व्यक्ति ने इसको हासिल कर लिया, फिर तो कुछ और की जरूरत ही नहीं. Calmness, composedness. So, oh God, grant me the serenity to accept the things which I can't change. The issue is all about acceptance. Any relationship, it has its own problem only because, I'm sorry, it has, because my phone is 24/7 on. I cannot put it off. This is, I cannot. It is known to my entire family members. It is not, 20 जब से मेरे पास मोबाइल सेल्यूलर फोन है, ये कभी स्विच ऑफ नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि इस पर बहुत सारे लोग जुड़े हुए हैं. किसी की सांसें भी इसी पर जुड़ी हुई हैं, ऐसा मैं कहती हूँ. Anyways, that's entire different. So I was talking about acceptance. When are we going to accept them the way they are? We want to change. We want to change entire world. Teacher also want to change the child. Parent want to change the child. Child want to change the bhaiya. The bhaiya want to change the chota bahan. Everybody is busy in changing without understanding, without accepting the way they are. They are also God's creation. No two individuals are alike. Same with the situations today. So God give me that serenity and acceptance which I can't change. Anger, acceptance is the way it's happening. जैसे चल रहा है इसको मैं accept करूं. When I get angry, आप कभी भी गुस्सा करते हैं, आप कभी ध्यान से सोचना, आप गुस्सा तब करते हैं when it is not happening the way it is supposed to happen, the way I want it to happen, and you get annoyed. छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल ले लो, जैसा दाल का स्वाद मुझे चाहिए. Now this is, drawing room. Entire family members have started cooking. All are cookers now. Cook and cookers. There should be some humor in the conversation also. The males are cook and females are cookers. This is not my version. This is the version of a class 3rd child when I was the teacher. He asked this question in the class, ma'am, when all the males are cook, what is the female version? Then other child stood up that a cooker. I said, yes, very correct. Here comes the right answer, because all answers are right answers. So anger happens only when the things are not happening the way it is supposed to happen. मेरे जैसा होना चाहिए. ये दाल भी वैसी होनी चाहिए जैसा मैं, मेरी टंग स्वाद के लिए चाहिए. अब दाल तो आपने तड़का नहीं लगाया है. The poor lady has done it. Now you want pure dal. Better you enter into the kitchen and do the tadka. You get it your own. That I don't do. Then you accept the dal which is prepared by me. Things are very simple. At least in relationship, I feel things are very simple. So the power and the prayer goes like this: God, grant me the serenity to accept the things which I can't change, courage and guts to face it. You need courage. You know, whatever is happening, you need a lot of courage. You need a lot of guts. Abhi humko sabko chahiye. We all need it. So please grant me and the wisdom. It's a virtue. So if you ask this to the God and the wisdom to differentiate between what I can and what I cannot, here also you require a lot of wisdom. Many a times we have seen that we just struggle with certain things where our abilities are not lying, and then we fed up with it. So there should be that wisdom. What can I do it and what I cannot do it? Everybody cannot do everything. All cannot become doctors, engineers, but we want them to become. How is it possible? Uska to mold hi dusra aaya hai. So, but I want it. That is why I said, give me the wisdom to understand. First, you give me the wisdom to understand what I can, what I cannot, so that I can make the world to understand it. अब जब मुझे समझ आ जाएगा मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, मैं क्या नहीं कर सकती, it's easy for me to make others to understand where our children are facing lot of problems. They don't have the words to make you understand. Poor children, I said, बच्चे मन के अच्छे और सबसे अच्छे, प्यारे बच्चे क्योंकि मेरे बच्चे. So बच्चों के लिए तो मैं कुछ नहीं सुन सकती. मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता है, the pure soul arrived on this earth. The newly born baby, just look into the eyes of that boy, the girl, or the creation of the God. And what we made him? We made it. It can be as a mother, as a teacher, as whatever role is assigned to us. So this is very, very important for us to understand. This wisdom is required, and make the child also understand that you brief me up. Usko wo freedom milni chahiye. This is very important, so that the child also will be in a position to tell you what he can and what he cannot. And ability really matters, although it is out of my topic, but once talk chal rahi hai, it is related to it, because all these children are again career wale bacche bhi bahut pareshan hain. 12th exams are not yet on, competitive exams, the dates are not out. So what are we going with to do them? Keep reassuring them, keep them. If not this, something else is waiting for you. And now the entire world is going to change. Find out the new avenues. I can help you out. Let us sit, what the researchers are talking about, what the big industrialists are talking about, which industries are going to shut down, which industries are going to come up, where is your ability lying? This is the time, my dear friends, as a teacher, as a parent, to reassure the children. I feel that they are more vulnerable. हम तो सब बहुत समझदार हैं, कुछ ना कुछ करके अपना वेंट आउट कर लेंगे. I feel the vulnerability age started from 0 to 18, and another age is post 55 or 60 plus. They are more vulnerable, physical immunity as well as their emotional immunity. So we as a human being should go more closer to them and to have a one-to-one conversation with them and make them understand this wisdom and make them understand vocabulary. Some children tell me, ma'am, हमको समझ नहीं आ रहा है. You know what they say? They give a call to me, ma'am, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. It's very difficult. क्या अच्छा नहीं लग रहा? मैम बस अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. मैम मुझे बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, मुझे बहुत रोना आ रहा है, मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं अच्छा लग रहा. जब वो ऐसे बार बार बोलते हैं तो मुझे इतना बुरा लगने लगता है कि मैं I am not in a position to get into the child inside. What is that? That we need to tell children को verbalize करना सिखाइए. Give them words. Emotional vocabulary is very much essential for any school to introduce right from the childhood. We don't go do it. We don't have it. We have all kind of emojis. Happiness is easy to brief, to express it, but there are certain states of emotions where children have no words. So allow them to vent out, and this prayer is very good, and this prayer is very simple. You can anytime can say it, or you can understand it, the power of the prayer, power of gratitude. I'll be failing in my duties if I'll not talk about the power of gratitude. Oh my God, right from your childhood till date, this is the time you can convey it to all those people who came in your life and not being expressed by you. बहुत लोग हुए छूट गए. We have not conveyed our sincere gratitude to the, right from that babysitter. My parents were working. I am born to a parent who are working. So I used to ask my mama, where are they? Who are they? कहाँ रहते हैं? But then अब contact नहीं है. But I always fold my hands and convey my gratitude to them because they kept me. They took good care of me when my father and mother were going to office. So when we all start right from our journey, same thing we can tell it to our children also, and they can also convey their gratitude to everyone. Everyone, you know, जो दीदी घर में आती है, अगर वो बर्तन धोती है, हमारे बच्चों को भी उनको सिखाना चाहिए. थैंक यू बोलना सिखाना पड़ेगा. We need to every मैं कहती हूँ इंसान की सांसें भी उसकी अपनी नहीं है, फिर इतना अहंकार क्यों है? उसकी सांसें भी उसकी अपनी नहीं. अगर रात को पेड़ सांस नहीं लेंगे तो सुबह आप जिंदा नहीं मिलेंगे. This is what one has to understand. I'm ready to take some questions also because I keep on one more thing. Yeah, it's not happy people who are thankful. It's not happy people who are thankful. It's thankful people who are happy. So one has to be thankful for everyone, for everything. God has given us what not. We are very blessed. We have a chat, we have a roti, we have a family. And that is what I started with those prayer, those lines. ईश्वर ने हमें क्या नहीं दिया है, हम क्यों शिकायत कर रहे हैं, हम किससे शिकायत कर रहे हैं, और हम अपने बच्चों को भी ये सिखाएं. और बच्चे को थैंकफुल होना बहुत जरूरी है. जब हम थैंकफुल हो, you keep on thanking people, your children will listen and they'll also start thanking others. When you say it loudly to them, I'm thankful to the sabji wala who came to my doorsteps, I'm thankful to that BMC wala who came to collect the garbage from my home. We always communicate, we say it very loudly. We are the only ones who are loud in our colony. Both of us, me and my husband, we're always out. हम सबको thank you बोलते रहते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि ये thank you बोलने से हमको अच्छा लगता है. हम किसी को दिखाने के लिए थोड़ी बोल रहे हैं. We feel ourselves, yes, today we did. It is a lot of reflections which we get in our life. And end of the day, we feel that, yes, today we have spent the day given to us by great God Almighty in a very, very positive manner. And this will enhance the sensitivity in you, positivity in you, the care, the concern for the fellow beings. And this karma will go on like this. People will join us, people will leave us, but the karma will carry on with togetherness, love, warmth, affection, respect, trust. I have only positive words to say, and list is endless. So I hope the session was quite, I don't know, how was the session? I can only say that I felt as if I have communicated what came to my mind without using any negations, because this is not the time to use any negation and any negative. This is time for us to use only positive and positive words. If anybody is having any question, I can, if I have the answer, because as I say, I don't know everything, but I know something that can be shared here. Yeah.
Audience can put in the chat box. By the time, I would like to thank you, ma'am. It was really heart-touching session. You made us feel sensitivity through your heart-touching poem. You recited it so beautifully that everything went to our heart.
Again, thanks goes to that particular author or the writer and the poet who has written it. I have not written it.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I was almost in tears. Believe me, when you were reciting. So really, it was heart-touching. You made all the audience, realize the sensitivity and the power of reassurance. You made us believe that it really works, and every mother can do it for her child or any people around themselves. They can have it. They can heal. All audience joined us. They can heal. You just assured us. You gave us the confidence that everybody joined can heal other people around them. So thank you very much, ma'am. It was really heart-touching session. Thank you.
No questions. It means two things. Every session when I take, दो बात होती है, या तो समझ आया या कुछ भी समझ नहीं आया. All
नहीं
clear?
मैम, आपका बहुत ही अच्छे से समझ में आया, क्योंकि आपने इतने सिंपल बिल्कुल घर में होने वाले एग्जांपल्स लिए. It was really nice.
You can, they can, if they, you can, give my numbers also to
Sure,
them.
ma'am.
If I could be of any help to anyone, always there. It's my pleasure. It's my duty. I am always ready. जितना मेरे बस में है मैं सबके लिए हाजिर हूँ. कभी भी, मैंने कहा जैसे 24/7 ये मेरे पास रहता है. आप इस पे कभी भी टिंग टोंग कर सकते हैं.
Thank you very much, ma'am. We have, we'll just take your 1 minute more. We'll share a digital certificate to you, ma'am.
Oh,
Here is the
thank you.
certificate. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow. Very nice. Good.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for providing us your precious time. I thank you on behalf of Sage Group also. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you all the
Thank you.
audience.
God bless you.
Thank you.
God bless you. God bless you.